everybody. I'm sitting there freaking out again, hearing a bunch of noises downstairs or in the basement, crawl space, whatever you want to call it. And it's loud. And dogs can't figure it out. I can't figure it out. And then earlier today, I heard something in the garage moving around. It could have been an animal or something trying to keep warm, but I'll tell you what, that creeped me out because when I opened it, I heard something going underneath stuff. Not saying that what's downstairs couldn't be an animal either, but I'm really afraid to go down there and check it out. I haven't been down there in like a long time. It's big piles of dirt and a bunch of junk down there. This house has been here for a long time, like since 1952, something like that. And there's all kinds of stuff down there. I haven't had a chance since I bought this house to go down there. It's been creepy down there anyway. I mean, one of these days I'm gonna clean it out and refinish it. But yeah, I keep hearing freaking pounding down there. Like somebody putting something steel on steel, tapping. Keep hearing somebody tapping down there. That's what it is. I don't think it's a, I don't know what it is. It's just creeping me out.